Hello and welcome! Today we are talking about two tiny words that can change your meaning completely. Few and a few. When you say a few, you mean some. It is a small number, but it is enough. The feeling is positive or neutral. Imagine you have a few good friends. That means you have some friends. You are happy. You are not lonely. For example, I have a few friends who always help me. Or you say to your colleague, I have a few minutes to talk. That means you have enough time. You are not in a hurry. The feeling is positive. When you say few without a, you mean not many. The number is smaller than expected. The feeling is negative. Imagine you have few friends. That means you don't have many friends. You feel lonely or sad. For example, he has few friends because he never goes out. Or you say to your colleague, I have few minutes to talk. That means you are very busy. You almost have no time. The feeling is negative or stressed. Look at this. I have a few ideas. I have some ideas. That is good. I have few ideas. I don't have many ideas. That is bad. Let's learn some more examples. I have a few dollars. Enough. I have few dollars. Not enough. I have a few apples for the pie. Enough apples. I have few apples for the pie. Not enough apples. There are a few seats left on the plane. Some seats available. There are few seats left on the plane. Almost no seats available. She has a few days to prepare for the exam. Enough time. She has few days to prepare for the exam. Not enough time. The difference is only one small word, a, but the meaning changes completely. Let's see how it works in real conversations. Are there any empty tables? Yes, there are a few. Let's sit there. It's positive, there are some tables. Are there any empty tables? There are few empty tables. We may have to wait. It is negative, almost no tables. Remember this simple rule. A few means some. Few means not many. If you want to sound positive, use a few. If you want to complain or show a problem, use few. Let's check your understanding. Fill in the blanks. A few or few. I have good reasons to be happy. I have a few good reasons to be happy. The answer is a few. The meaning is positive. I have some good reasons. She has opportunities to travel because she is too busy. The answer is few. The meaning is negative. Not many opportunities. Can you give me minutes? I'm almost ready. The answer is a few. The meaning is positive. Some minutes, not a problem. So that is the difference between few and a few. One small letter A changes everything. Practice with your Roman sentences and remember, use a few to be positive and few to show a problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more English tips. See you next time!